hammer at? See if it's still there.
It's right there on the brick pallet, right here on the. The holes are intact. All right.
It's okay to clean your hole out now, right?
Clean your hole.
All right, just.
We got lucky on this. That damn it holding.
Yeah.
That big wad and area that was.
I don't know, man. It's no, our plate's gone.
Yeah, the plate's gone.
Yeah, the plate's completely out. But it's still holding good. Still warm in there, Steve? Steve's trying to stab it.
What that does.
No, it's just right. It's just perfect. To roast your hand.
That's what my fang go for.
Brings a new meaning to the word gunk.
Hot goo.
It's gunky. Steaming hot goo. Gunky, gunky, gunky. Metal in that.
Okay. I feel it.
I think that'll clean up when you machine it.
Oh, yeah.
Really, this don't
Matter. Because that chain's
That's
be
right.
dropping
It's
here.
dropped straight down. That's true.
We can take that tool and square those corners edges up.
Yeah.
Yep.
Chisel, die grinder.
Pleased.
Well, sure, I thought we put more damn it down in.
Seemed like we used a trainload of it.
Sounds good.
A new name for that stuff this week. Work. Give me the damn it. Do what? What'd I do?
I said, damn it, damn it.
Don't waste any of that. I want it.
Gotta order some new Babbitt and I'll get some more damn it.
All right then.
All right.
See, this is the fourth pour, and how easy it got after the first two failures.
Yeah, we'll just clean that top off now. Yeah, clean these off. Put the shims in. We'll bore it out.
Let's call Bob tomorrow and see if he's had a chance to make those shims.
What if we decide how much we want to put in there? 8
Quarter inch. Mike wrote 2.230 to 250, so I told Bob quarter inch if we need to. It's easier to take off than.
We're going to make a couple 5,000 shims, anything?
I don't think we need to. I don't. I mean, we shim it, clamp it tight, we bore it. It ought to be right. If Wes doesn't lubricate it, then he can report.
Bend over and say ah.
Oh, that's not a world.
Beg to differ.